A $170 million empire, luxury cars and worldwide fame, Lil Wayne has made a name for himself through his music and smart investments. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 most expensive things in his life, all of which he's earned through hard work and hustle. Let's explore how Lil Wayne built his $170 million empire. Lil Wayne's Miami Beach mansion is his most expensive asset, valued at $17 million. This 10,632 square foot mansion is massive and luxurious, featuring 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, providing plenty of space for his family and guests. There's even a private theater where Wayne hosts movie nights or events. The design of the mansion is full of attention to detail, such as a custom mahogany entry door, which gives the entrance a sophisticated look. With 22-foot high ceilings and luxurious finishes, the mansion exudes grandeur. Living in a home like this is the dream of any high-status celebrity, and Lil Wayne shows off his success and wealth through this impressive mansion. The Bugatti Veyron is a world-famous supercar and an important part of Lil Wayne's car collection. This car costs between $1 million and $2 million and is one of the most powerful production cars in the world. Powered by a W16 engine that produces 1,001 horsepower, the car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Its top speed is 253 miles per hour, 407 kilometers per hour, which is incredibly fast for any supercar. The car is named after French race car driver Pierre Veyron, who won the 1939 Le Mans race. The Veyron perfectly reflects Wayne's love for speed and luxury. Driving this car allows him to feel both powerful and luxurious, enhancing his high-status celebrity image. Lil Wayne chose diamond-studded Beats headphones to represent his style and luxury. These $1 million headphones were specially designed for him and were named after his album, Carter 4. The headphones are completely covered in diamonds, with a custom design that's far from ordinary. The exquisite diamond pattern sets them apart from typical headphones. Lil Wayne wears these headphones to reflect his high-end lifestyle, and the design speaks to his exclusive fashion sense. The collaboration with Beats blends his love for music and luxury perfectly. Lil Wayne's Rolls-Royce Phantom drophead coupe is another lavish car in his luxury collection, priced at $443,000. Rolls-Royce is synonymous with luxury and sophistication, and Wayne chose this car to match his high-status image. The car features a 6.75 LV12 engine, offering powerful performance. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds, which is quite fast for a luxury car. The handcrafted interior showcases Rolls-Royce's attention to detail, and the car also has power closing doors and a premium sound system. With its sleek design and top-tier features, the Rolls-Royce Phantom drophead coupe is considered one of the most luxurious cars in the world. Wayne uses this car to showcase his success and luxury lifestyle. Lil Wayne's old mansion in Louisiana was worth $10 million. This 10,000 square foot home had 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, offering plenty of space. Located in a gated community, the mansion ensured privacy and security. It featured a fitness room with rubber floors, perfect for working out. The home also had a marble staircase and a curved glass and chrome bar, showcasing elegant design. This mansion was an important part of Wayne's life in New Orleans, where he hosted parties and began his career. Though he sold it later, it remains a symbol of his early life and rise to success. These 5 most expensive things in Lil Wayne's life perfectly showcase his hard work, success, and wealth. He has filled his life with luxury and exclusivity, which naturally extends from his music career and fame. The items he's acquired represent his high-status celebrity lifestyle. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, don't forget to like, comment on which item you like the most, and subscribe.